Hey y'all, I know I'm like all ready and stuff, but like I don't got nothing on. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another wig review. Love it. Yeah. Okay, next, because if I keep explaining myself, y'all gonna get annoyed. So today we got a wig from Xrsbeauty. Thank you so much, Xrs. I wanted to try something new and I'm skeptical. If I'm not satisfied with how it looks on me, I'm still gonna give an honest review on the actual hair and how it comes, how it feels, and how it looks. But this is something very new to me. So today I have some kinky hair. I want to try some new and try it out, okay? It's super kinky and curly and I love it. So it's clear lace. I don't know if y'all remember my last clear lace video, but the clear lace is literally clear, okay? There's no questions, comments, or concerns. It's clear, and I'm gonna show y'all a comparison in a second, and I'm gonna show you guys it on my head. This is just a curly kinky 13x6 lace frontal wig. I am very happy because I haven't gotten a 13x6, I don't think ever. I think maybe one other hair I got a 13x6, and this is what it looks like. It goes super far back, which is cool if you want to do if you want to do something like with the top part, then it's good for that. But yeah, I want to show y'all. So they sent me comparisons. So we have a transparent lace, which is what a good amount of companies like to use, and we're just gonna rip this off because I know which is which. I know which is which. This is the transparent lace, boom, and then this is the new clear lace. Now, how they get to doing this, I have no idea, okay? Because if you look at it in person, it's obviously different. The clear lace is the one that's closest to my head, and the transparent lace is the one that's closer to y'all. The first person to comment which one is the clear and which one is the transparent in the comments gets a high five. So I could tell. I don't know. I just love the clear lace. This is the wig that we got. It is 16 inches. It is very kinky. So without like stretching it out, because there is such thing as shrinkage, it is about 9. But if you were to pull it out like this, it is 14. So I will give them that, because I definitely was questioning it when I first got the wig. I literally was questioning it. I'm like, so we're just gonna pop this on. First, I'm going to fix this because I just had another wig on, so now it's kind of just all over the place. Gotta let it lay down. Oh my gosh, this low-key cute. Like, should I go bald and just wear wigs all the time? I'm just joking, because I love my hair. I need to stop. Do bald people say they love their hair? And I'm not being funny. I'm dead ass. Like, I'm so, like, that's a serious question. If it sounds dumb, I'm so sorry. Like, do people that have no hair say they love their hair? Because technically there ain't no hair there. One thing I want to say is it comes pre-bleached. However, I'm gonna be honest, because I like to be honest with y'all. The bleach that they did, I wasn't really a fan of. So like I've said on other videos, it is very convenient for someone that just genuinely doesn't know what they're doing, or just for somebody that just doesn't want to spend that much time on prepping a wig, because it does take a little while to prep a wig. Like if I get a wig today, I cannot film till tomorrow. Like I got a wig in the hallway. I was trying to think of where it was. It's in the hallway. Well, it's in the living room. I know that I'm not going to get that wig video done today, so I have to do everything and then be ready for it tomorrow. But it does come pre-bleached, but I bleached it. But this is what it looks like when I did it. I just personally like it different, and that is okay. Oh, I was about to take these scissors, because this little bottom part, I never glue my wigs to the bottom of my head. Like down here, I never do it. So I just like to cut this off because I don't need it. It's unnecessary. It's in the way. So this wig is washed, dried, conditioned. I put leave-in conditioner in it. So I am going to get it wet to style it and stuff, but we're just going to pop it on so y'all can see exactly how this clear lace look on me scalp. And boom. There we go, honey. Scalp wear. I mean lace wear. Why does this chair do this so much? So y'all see how it looks. Like it's not bad. Like it's just not, you know, I'm not used to seeing me with like kinky hair. So we're gonna figure out something to do with this, but I have no idea what, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is cut it. You know, I love to say this ain't no tutorial, because it's not. So me doing all that talking is unnecessary. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at it. I can't wait. And I'm just gonna look so like 90s. I don't know. That's what it's giving me that it's gonna get. Okay. I don't know. Comment below like your favorite hairstyles in general. So I've been trying to get into finding more hairstyles for myself, because I don't do that much. Like I usually do like the same hairstyles, and that gets so freaking boring after a while, okay? It gets boring. Give me some hairstyles that y'all like to do, or like good wig hairstyles. I see a lot of people always doing those little swoops, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about in a second. So they'll do the hairstyle where it's like you bring like a bang and put it over your forehead, and I just feel like some hairstyles ain't for everybody, and I feel like that's a hairstyle that just ain't for me because I have a very long head. So I always ask people what kind of content they want to see from me. And I feel like people think I'm just asking that just out of like boredom, but I really want to know. And the only reason I'm really saying that in a video like right now is because I ask people for ideas, and I feel like people give me ideas that they have seen me do before or think I would, well, okay, not think I want to do, but have like seen me do before. And I want to like step out my comfort zone when I move back to Arizona. Like I want to do stuff that you've never, not never, but like if I've done it, like spice it up a little bit or something, like a public video, or I don't know. One thing, I do want to do this podcast, right? And the reason I want to, like, in all honesty, because y'all know I love being honest. Y'all always like praise me for being honest, and it makes me just want to keep being honest. It's popular right now, and that's not solely the reason. I love to talk, and y'all probably don't know that. Even like doing a podcast is like, okay, but how would I make mine different from other people's? Because I kind of just want to talk about whatever, and I'm so serious. Legit, whatever's on my mind that week is what I want to talk about, and I don't want it to be live, and I want it to be like super professional and planned out, and not like in my basement, which I'm not gonna have a basement because I'm gonna be in an apartment, but you know what I mean, just like, which in a basement isn't a problem. I just have standards for myself, and I'm not judging anybody else, but I would just rather have a certain standard, and if it comes to a podcast, I want mine to be perfect. But my reasoning of saying that is I just love to talk. I love to talk about things. I love to give my own opinion. I don't know. I just really like to have conversation, and good ones at that. And it sucks, and this is gonna sound so like I'm really about to shame myself right now, but like I don't know a lot of words, and I watch a lot of podcasts, and they know a lot of words, and that's like, I know, bitch, are you serious? Yes. I'm very serious. I don't know a lot of words, so like I just feel like I'm gonna be looking stupid when I'm talking about certain things. I'm not the greatest at explaining myself, which I know going on a podcast or just going on anything in general and speaking your mind, it might be hard at times to express yourself, but I want to learn that before I start because I don't want to sound stupid. But yeah, give me video ideas. I'll be back in a second. I'm always just talking down on myself. Love that for me. How about you? All right, we're gonna cut this all intact, all in place. Y'all see it? Just wait till I cut it. We're complete. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see it. It looks good. Like, I'll give y'all, hold on. Okay, let's start off with how I feel about the wig itself. The wig itself is beautiful. I love it. When it comes to the kinkiness, if you really want a good quality, kinky, very realistic looking wig, this is the place to go. As you guys see, look at this. It looks like my natural, like, this is how my hair in real life is like made, okay? So that part is good. Quality good. The density is wild. Like, y'all could tell, okay? It is very, 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 very full. And I'm very grateful for that because you do not want no kinky curly hair, nothing that pops out real crazy, and it's not full density. It's giving the density it is supposed to give, okay? The second thing I would like to say is, do I think it's for me? No. And the reason I say that is because I just don't feel like this hairstyle fits with me. Period. Especially the length. I feel like if it was longer, it would be a different story, but since it's so short, and I really just told them I wanted to try this out, so it's really not their fault. I told them I wanted this wig. I just don't think it's for me. I do think that whoever wants this type of style, go for it. There's so many pictures on the internet that look so beautiful on other women. Me, it just ain't for me. And let me know y'all, like, honest opinion down below. I love to hear y'all feedback. Now, don't call me an ugly bitch now. Like, tell me if you think it's cute or if you think it's not. It's just not for me, but it's still cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and I appreciate it. Thank you again, Xrsbeauty, for sending me this hair because I love me a clear lace. If you want to work again, let me know because I love clear lace, y'all. Clear lace is the way to go, and I'm not being dramatic. I'm not joking. If any company out here has a clear lace, go for it, get it, take that chance, take that risk, because the risk is worth it. Like, for real, this, it literally looks like my head, like it looks like my scalp. But that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you follow all my social media. It will be on the screen, and I'll see you guys next video.